You pulling me closer, but don't waste your time. Don't have any time for all your empty lies. I used to think that you were on.
Hey tribe, what's up? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I am so excited today. Of course, I am bringing you guys another cleaning motivation. Look at that boy sneaking out from under the table. But, anyways, I am bringing you guys another cleaning motivation. You guys, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you're new on here, hey, my name is Ada, and I am a mom of four, wifey, and I do everything mom vlog, motherhood, vlogs, and cleaning motivation, organization, and all of those beautiful things that you would love to watch. So if you're new, welcome. Please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, and of course thumbs up this video. Okay, share it as well. If it touches your heart, go ahead and share this video, leave your comment, and yeah, welcome to the family. You guys are welcome. And to my old subscribers, thank you guys so much for always tuning back in and supporting your girl. You guys, by my tone, you can already see that I'm really excited. Okay, I am very excited because your girl has been consistent. Like, what is the word again? Consistency. Okay. 2023, it's all about consistency. I don't care what anybody says. I am doing it. Listen, it's not easy with 4 kids, handling the family, whatever, and all of that, and still being able to edit these YouTube videos. You guys don't even know how hard it is, but I am doing it. I mean, I love doing it. So yeah, here we are with another cleaning motivation. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And yeah, you guys, I'm very proud of myself. I'm really proud because I actually said, I was like, this year I'm going to be more committed to finally growing my YouTube channel. I'm going to be more committed to finally, being consistent and seeing where this goes. Okay, and I've been seeing my results, little by little, and I know that very soon everything, yeah, I'm a very positive person. Okay, so I'm being positive. I know that very soon I'm definitely going to get my 10K full subscribers this year. I know it's not all about the numbers, but those numbers just boost you the morale. I'm telling you, kind of like boost you, So yeah, I'm really happy for you guys. Thank you guys so much, honestly, for supporting me, for always tuning back to my video and just supporting your girl. Okay, we are doing this thing, and I know we are definitely going to win this year. Okay, we are going to win. So I don't care what anybody says, we're going to win. And you guys, please, another thing, please do go ahead and leave your comments in the comment section. One, let me know what type of content you guys really enjoy from me. Like, what part of my content do you enjoy? Is it the motherhood part? Is it the cleaning motivation? Is it the, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, and also suggest to me any other type of content you feel like you want me to add to my already existing contents that I have. So just let me know what other kind of content you guys would love to see on my channel, and I'll definitely go through it. I'll be in that comment section waiting for you guys to leave a comment. Please make sure to watch this video to the end. Please, that will help my channel a lot. Please make sure to watch this video or to the end. If you're about to clean with me, get up, baby girl, let's do this. Okay, get up, baby girl, get up, baby boy, whoever, just get up and let's clean together. Put this on your TV and let's just clean together. We can do it. I know that house has been dirty. You're looking at it and it's looking at you. Listen, nobody will do it for you. Just get up, let's clean. Okay, let's clean up this mess. It is what it is. Let's clean up the mess. I honestly love cleaning videos. I just don't know why. I really love cleaning videos. It's just so satisfying to see the house go from going crazy to the calmness and everything that's everywhere. It's just like, from crazy to calm kind of situation. I just love that. And you guys, I have another video coming up. I'm definitely I'm planning on kind of like rearranging my pantry. And this house, I have a really small pantry. Like, the pantry is really small. I honestly don't even know what I'm going to do with that pantry. That is just one knockoff when it comes to this house. It just I'm just weak at this point. I don't know what to do. But being that I know how to organize things and kind of like put things together, I feel like I'm just going to try and work with it. Honestly, I'm going to film it, or if it doesn't come out like the way I want to, I might not post it. Unless you let me know in the comment section if you feel like I should post it, no matter how it comes out. I'm just going to try my best because we have a whole lot, and then when it comes to food, like we have a whole lot, and then the pantry is just little. Like I buy like flour in bags and all of that, like and how it's so how which I don't even understand. Like whoever built this pantry, you better come out, let's fight, because I don't understand. I just don't understand. But anyways, I'm going to try and make that work. I'm going to see how I'll just make that work. Yeah, I have some arrangements to do. I have some organizations to do. I just have a whole lot to do in this house, but I'm going to take my time. I'm not going to rush myself because I'm trying to stay consistent, and I'm trying to, I'm just trying to not also overwhelm myself. So at the same time, I'm trying to see if I can go from posting twice a week to go posting 3 times a week. I don't know how that will work, but I'm not like rushing anything. I'm just taking my time. I don't want to, reach that burnout real quick. So yeah, I'm going to just see, like I can post it on Sundays, like kind of like a Sunday reset type of content. That's what that will make it 3 times a week. So I don't know if you guys would love to, Sunday resets, all those calm vlog, kind of like calm vlog, vibe, like a calm, really chill vlog type, on Sundays. Because of course it's not every day you clean, like your like your life depends on it. Some days are really calm for me, especially when the kids are in bed. I really clean gently and just do my thing. So just let me know if you would love to see any Sunday reset on my channel, and I'll definitely start doing that. Look at this boy, listen, this boy, nah, he never leaves me alone. He's always trying me. But anyways, oh gosh, yeah, you guys, I will not do much talking anymore. I think I've said enough. I mean, if you miss me, you can tell me in the comment section to go ahead and talk more. I will definitely do it. So I'm so excited. You guys will not understand, like the challenges that comes with being consistent is on another level. Like it's a whole lot, but seeing myself doing it and just pushing myself, even on the days that I'm just like, man, I think I should just leave this thing alone. I still push myself, like boom, go. Yeah, it's something else. But anyways, yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys towards the end. Please keep watching. Okay, I'll see you guys. I'll see you at the end.
Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so we can never be the same?
floor. Flame your lighter, take a smoke. Put your broken rib off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down. We'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out. When the lights out.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like, comment, just leave a comment for me. Share this video, and if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, join the family. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and you guys, you're definitely welcome to my channel. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.
The things I love, the things